Y'all, I might have just found the easiest, most natural looking curly install ever. When I say no stress, no drama, and no one will ever know that it's crochet, I mean unless they watch the video, but let's keep it between us.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ASHA back again with a new video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Clearly, you guys want to see how I achieve this look because your girl body it. Please click the link in the description to get this hair information, you guys. Company is Elfin Hair Extensions. I used their curly crochet extensions to achieve this look. And if you guys want to know how I did this, definitely keep watching this video. You already know I'm a fan of quick, cute, and stress-free hairstyles because who has time for a 6-hour install? So today we'll be using the micro ring loop crochet extensions from Elfin Hair to get the most flawless, natural looking curls. It's 22 inches in water wave texture. As you can tell, the hair is beautiful. If you've been rocking with me for a minute, you already know I do not know how to braid. So to achieve this look, I did a flat twist base. So peep the layout. I didn't actually use the middle part. I actually ended up flat twisting that to the back and doing a side part officially. So this is what I left out. And I could have just did no leave out. Honestly, when I started doing the hair, it was so hard to detect where they started because of the thin loops. I didn't even need leave out, but I still did it because who's gonna stop me? The best part about the hair to me is it's 100% human hair. So you could wash it, style it, even curl it, and uninstall it and reinstall it again. Did I mention this was the first time me doing this style? So definitely a learning curve. I've never done crochet on my hair ever, but now I'm a fan. And now I'm trying to teach you how to do it because what's the best way to learn, from a beginner or somebody who's a pro? I think a beginner. I don't know. You tell me. Now this is the fun part. These micro ring loops make installing so easy. All you have to do is pull it through and make a knot. I made 2 just to make sure it was secure. I think in the back I did 1. I don't know. I was just playing around at this point, just trying to figure it out. And basically just knotting it is all you have to do just to make it secure, and just pull it through and literally you're done. Now I'm gonna show you like in real time how fast it's gonna take. This is me doing one real time so you guys can just soak in what it takes to do it. It's really super simple. Literally crochet it in, knot it, pull it, done. Anybody could do this.
You got a loop,
literally.
right? The loop, the thin. You see the very, it's so thin, right? Cool. Put that to the side. You take the hook. You want to close. You take your hook. You want to close your hook. And then we're going to just go through the braid. You see the hook is open now. We're going to grab the loop. Once you have it on the hook, you want to close the hook. Pull it through so it doesn't snag your hair in. And you want to find that loop again, the thin loop. Okay. And you want to just, you can either go through it once. I'm going to do it twice. And then just pull and separate it to lock it. And because of it being so thin, you can't even see the knots. So that's how I install it. It don't move. I did a few. But yeah, super easy to install. I like that.
This by far has been one of the most easiest styles to achieve. So if you're a beginner, definitely don't be discouraged to try it. I believe if you really put your mind to it, you can definitely do it. Because I did this, when I tell you this is my first time ever doing it, this is my first time ever doing it.
I cannot lie. This is some pretty hair. Clock it.
Wait, why is this actually coming out perfect? I did not expect to be feeling myself this early in the process. Now, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. The whole process took about, I want to say 6 hours. But I did it all by myself at home. I washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. Then I flat twisted my hair. And then I crocheted. So crocheting took about, I want to say 3 hours to do. So the crocheting part was not long, but like the full like install when it comes to washing, flat twisting, yeah, that took damn near the whole day. But like if you have a day to take to yourself to do your hair, I would do that, because this was so nice, like way nicer than I expected it to come out. Because this, like I said, this is my first time doing it. I wasn't expecting it to look like this, and now I get so many people coming up to me asking me like, what happened, what did you do to your hair, how is that a wig? I said, a wig? Not a wig. You thought this was a wig? Like, y'all, it's very unclockable. I love it. To be honest, if you have a good series, a Sunday or a Saturday where you ain't got nothing to do, or even a Friday, I don't know what days you be free, this is definitely something I would do again, because I can take these off and redo it. Alrighty, you guys, so I just finished installing. I think it looks great. I think the hair is really, this is some beautiful hair. I'm not trying to lie to y'all. This hair is so freaking beautiful. So the thing is, I have leave out. I gotta figure out how to blend my leave out. I have mousse and foam rollers. Mousse, foam rollers. Can you tell that's coming? I'm like, a part of me feels like I don't even need to do any leave out, cause like literally, y'all see the same thing I see? Like, do I really need it? Cause you barely could tell that these are in there. It was like a waste of time. If it doesn't, we're gonna just tuck it anyway. Hide it with, everything else. Alright, so this is the magic step. A little leave out goes a long way in making crochet look like it's all yours. I'm just lightly defining my curls with some mousse and then using a foam roller to, make it blend into my extensions. I then let this set overnight just so that it could be fully dry and get the best results. So it's the next day. Of course, I did my makeup because I feel like you can't tell if you love your hair unless your makeup is done. I don't know, girls, comment down below if you feel me. Let me know. Did I mention I wasn't a professional and I'm just trying shit? And please disregard my face, because I was actually pulling out my hair and I was concerned, but the curl came out cute. What y'all think? I think it's a little, it matches. The curl matches, the texture doesn't. So we're gonna tuck it. Yes, baby, we're tucking. We're tucking all of my hair because I am African American and I have 4, A, 3, B hair. Yeah. So this is not what this is. I think that this curl is giving like a 3A. So yeah, girl, we're tucking today. If you didn't know, tucking means like twisting, tucking our hair where it's like it looked like it coming through. Like, come on, get with it, tuck your head. Literally, that did the twist, and now I'm feeling it. Now it's looking like it's coming out my scalp. You feeling it? Yes. Now I'm gonna cut it to give it some shape, because hair with no shape is not it. Come on now, you know what I mean? It makes the hair look better. It gives it life. So you gotta shape the hair to like hair framing faces. I just think it just makes the hair look better, more natural. Just eat. Yeah, so definitely don't forget this step. Very much needed. I didn't show you guys, but of course I did my edges. Edges complete the look. Like, do I have to say more? Like, come on now, if you click in my video, the edges gonna be laid. So yeah, now this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Would you do crochet? Do you like this look? Let me know. And just like that, boom, salon-worthy curls, no glue, no sewing, just easy, flawless, protective style. I need y'all to tell me in the comments, would you have guessed this was crochet, or do we need you to keep this technique between us? Y'all already know the deal. Check the link in the description to get your hands on these curls. And because I love y'all and you stick this long to the end of the video, my discount code, it will be ASHA. So use that to get some money off. If you don't mind, I'm gonna enjoy my hair, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You said I can't trust in you.